Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we'll show you how to operate and adjust a Moonphase watch using the Bernie 2 190M Moonphase model as our example. Let's first take a look at the main features of the watch. This watch has an analog display, date, day of the week, and Moonphase functions. Next, we'll show you how to set the day of the week and the time. Pull the crown to position 2 to stop the second hand. Turn the hands clockwise to advance the day of the week. Ensure AM or PM is set correctly. After setting the day of the week, twist the hour and minute hands to set the time. Now, let's set the Moonphase. With the crown in position 1, the Moonphase display indicates the lunar age, days elapsed since the last new moon, over a 29.5-day synodic cycle. You can check the calendar or other resources to confirm the current Moonphase. Turn the crown clockwise to change the Moonphase. A more accurate setting can be made at the same time as the new moon or full moon. We will demonstrate how to quickly set the date. Turn the crown counterclockwise to quickly set the date. Do not adjust the date between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m. to prevent misalignment. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you better operate your watch. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.